Good morning, Year 2. Today we're going to be looking at tally charts again. So yesterday we were able to complete the quiz all about tally charts, and it's a way of representing data that has been collected. So we're going to have a go today at creating our own tally chart. So you can see on the screen there is a picture of Miss Stearman's kitchen table, and you'll see Cole's paws, which is my dog, in the picture as well. He wanted to get involved. So in the picture you will see some kitchen items, some plates, spoons, glasses, mugs and a rolling pin. Using the picture we're going to create a tally chart. So create a tally chart using the kitchen items in the picture. So using this picture here we're going to create a tally chart. So looking at a waggle, what a good one looks like, I've written today's date and then I've listed in the first column, the kitchen items. So looking at the picture, we've got glass, mug, spoon, rolling pin, and a plate. Okay, when you've done that, this second column here, it says tally. So using the picture, counting how many times that item appears. So I've done the first one for you. So glass, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm representing that as a tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fifth tally makes a gate. 6, 7, 8. And then in the third column we've got the total, the frequency. How many times the item appears. Okay, so how many times this item appears. So here we've done the hard work, we've created the tally, then we count this up to write it as a numeral. We've got 5, 6, 7, 8. The numeral 8, the digit 8. Okay, so I want you to have a go at completing the rest of that tally chart. So pause the video now and complete the tally chart. Okay. So you should have completed your tally chart now. We're going to go through the answers and you can correct it if you got it wrong. Okay, remember we love our mistakes, so don't worry if you got it wrong. So we did the first one. We had 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total written as a numeral is 8. Next kitchen item, mug. How many mugs were there? That's right, there were 2. Writing the total as a digit 2. Please check that you've written your digits correctly. Okay, the next one is spoon. There were 10 spoons. I know this is 10 because 5 add 5 equals 10. 5, 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 lots of 5 equals 10. Okay, the next item, a rolling pin. That's it, there was only 1 rolling pin, so the total is 1. And lastly, how many plates were there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Swing it round and then once more for the total number of plates. Okay, if you need to, pause the video and correct your answers. Okay, now we've created this tally chart, we're going to use this data, this information, to answer some questions. So use the data to answer the question. So question 1. How many plates are there? So in your book, write question, just write 1 dot, and then you can write the question. How many plates are there? Don't forget to pause the video if you need more time. How many plates are there? Remember, you've done all the hard work, so using your tally chart. So I've got mine here. Use your tally chart to answer the question. How many plates are there? Okay, question 2. So underneath, write 2 dot. And the next question is which item is the most popular? The most popular. What does that mean? Yes, which item appears the most times? So which item is the most popular? Okay, question 3. How many more glasses than mugs? How many more glasses than mugs? Oh, this is quite a tricky question. How many more? This word here is very important. More. More. We know that this means finding the difference. We want to find the difference between the number of glasses and the number of mugs. Okay, question 4. What else does the data show? So the data means information. What else does the information show? The information you've collected in the tally chart, what else does it show? Tell me a story. Okay, now you've completed those questions. Remember, pause the video if you need more time. It's okay to need some more time. We're going to go through the answers now. Okay, question 1. How many plates are there? So you've done the hard work. Use your tally chart, find the total or count up the tallies. How many plates are there? That's it. There are 3 plates. Question 2. Which item is the most popular? So which item appeared the most? Which item is the most popular? That's it. The spoon is the most popular item because it appeared 10 times. There are 10 spoons. That's the biggest number. Question 3. How many more glasses than mugs? Now this one was a tricky one. How many more? We want to find the difference between more and less. So which one had the most? Was it glasses or mugs? Yes, glasses. There were 8 glasses and only 2 mugs. So I could do 8, take away 2, to find the answer. I could start at the least, which was mugs with 2, and count on until I get to 8, which is the amount of glasses. So that's the way I'm going to do it. So there were 2 mugs, and I'm going to continue counting on until I get to 8. So I'm going to put 2 in my head so I can use my fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 add 1 is 6. 6. The difference between the mugs and the glasses is 6. The difference between 2 and 8 is 6. There are 6 more glasses than mugs. And finally, what else does the data show? What else does the information we've collected show? Tell me a story. It can be anything in that tally chart. Okay, I'm just going to move myself along because the answer is going to come up here. Okay, now I have not got all of them, and if your answer is not here, then do not worry because it does not mean that you are wrong. Okay, so I've written here altogether there are 24 kitchen items because if we look back to our tally chart, we've got 8 glasses, 2 mugs, and I know 8 and 2 is 10. Then there are 10 spoons, so that's another 10. 10 add 10 is 20. 1 rolling pin, 1 more than 20 is, that's it, 21. And then 3 plates. 21 add 3. I know 1 add 3 is 4, so that's 24. There are 24 kitchen items altogether. Now up here we looked at the most. Okay, here I've written the least popular. So here we talked about the most popular, which was the spoon. The least popular kitchen item is the rolling pin because there was only 1 rolling pin. Okay, and I've also got that there are 9 fewer or 9 less rolling pins than spoons because there were 10 spoons and only 1 rolling pin. So the difference between 10 and 1 is 9. And I've written here plus many more. And so if you're not sure of your answer, then send a photo and I will help you decide if it's correct.